A blender, a compact yet powerful kitchen appliance. The finest blenders can assist in various recipes, ranging from creating silky pureed soups and smoothies to crafting spreads like nut butter and frozen delights such as slushies. The Vitamix Explorian E310 stands out with its timeless design and user-friendly interface. With 10 variable speeds and a pulse setting, it offers versatility in creating smoothies, mayonnaise, nut butter, and more. Despite its 48-ounce container being slightly smaller than some competitors, its squat design increases the likelihood of fitting under kitchen cabinets. The included tamper and lid are dishwasher safe, adding to the convenience. Overall, the E310 combines classic Vitamix qualities with an improved design, making it a versatile and lovable addition to any kitchen. The nutribullet Pro 900 is highlighted as the top choice for a personal blender, offering an optimal balance of price and performance. It featuring a powerful 900-watt motor capable of effortlessly handling tasks such as crushing ice, blending frozen fruit, and creating smooth mixes with minimal texture. The blender includes two 32-ounce cups, suitable for generous servings and convenient single-handed use. It comes with screw-on lip rings and attached handles for easy handling. The flip-top lids allow on-the-go use, though there may be minor dribbling when tipped over. The blender lacks smaller cup options for car cup holders, but additional accessories can be purchased separately. Overall, the nutribullet Pro 900 stands out for its efficiency and versatility in blending tasks. The Magic Bullet, despite its affordable cost and compact size, proves to be a highly effective personal blending system, outperforming many pricier competitors. The set includes a variety of cups and lids, making it a versatile option for different serving sizes and storage needs. Notably, the Magic Bullet excels in terms of cleanability, earning praise as one of the easiest blenders to wash. The screw-on blade effectively contains sticky juice, and all components are dishwasher safe. Operated with a push-to-blend mechanism common to similar models, the Magic Bullet also allows cup twisting to lock in place while the motor is running, adding a convenient feature. The 250-watt motor handles tasks such as blueberries and spinach well, but struggles with frozen strawberries, making it best suited for use with fresh or thawed fruit. Breville's The Fresh and Furious blender offers a more affordable option without compromising on style, durability, or power. While some Breville models may have steep price tags, this entry-level blender combines sleek design with performance. The plastic base distinguishes it from pricier metal-based models. Despite the plastic base, the blender is simple to use and impressively blends pineapple and leafy spinach into a smooth, aerated drink without any bits. It handles tasks such as crushing ice, chopping nuts, and emulsifying eggs for mayonnaise. The 1.6-quart, 1.5-liter jug is slightly smaller than other Breville blenders, and there is a minor issue of leakage when filled to maximum capacity, though confined to the well of the lid. The Beast blender stands out with its unique hourglass-shaped design, catching attention with both form and function. Powered by a robust 1000-watt motor, it excels in various blending tasks. The blender effortlessly handles smoothies, whether with fresh or frozen fruit, pulverizes ice into slush with minimal effort, and successfully produces nut butter without overheating issues or metallic smells. The inclusion of internal sensors prevents potential overheating, and color-coded lights indicate reasons for startup issues, such as motor overload or high content temperature. The Beast blender is equipped with practical accessories, including a storage lid and a drinking lid with an adjustable carry loop. Notably, the 3-cup capacity cup has a wider and squatter shape, facilitating ingredient addition and easy removal of thick substances like nut butter.